So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is just a short video, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to tie your Durag because most of you guys don't know how to tie. The review. Don't mind my forehead. It's so musty and crunchy. So this, you make sure it's on this side of the head. Then you wear it. Make sure this side is center. And then you take this one to the back. And then you take this one, use this one and roll it over. Use this one, okay. Then roll it over. Then see, tie it here. Tie it like this. Then if you want to tuck it this one in, you can tuck it in. I don't like leaving mine like this, or you can keep it like this. Then you can wear your goodie. That's just simple. Some of you are tying it like a tie. You don't tie it like a tie, you do it like this. This is the normal way to tie a Durag. So thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe